how to make collage reels on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make a trendy collage reel on your Instagram account. So for that, all you have to do is just simply open your Instagram and click on the profile section from the bottom right corner. And over here, you will be able to see this plus icon from the top right corner. Just simply tap on it and you will see different options like reel, edits, post, story, highlight. Just simply tap on story and you will be able to see this option which says collage on the top menu. Just simply tap on it, and now you just simply have to select the pictures that you would want to use in your collage. So you can select up to 20 pictures. I am currently selecting only 4. So once you have selected the picture, so you can see the maximum limit for selecting the pictures is 20 right now. Just simply click on this arrow icon right here at the bottom right on it, and as soon as you click on it, you can see that your collage has been created. As you can see that your collage is ready, and in order to save it and post it as a reel, all you have to do is just simply click on the done section from the top right, and after that just simply click on the three dot icon and just save the video in your mobile device. And now just simply go back in your profile and just click on the plus icon again and click on reel section from here and select this particular video that you have just made and click on next, and now you can post it as a reel. You can go ahead and do some other things, like you can add an audio, you can also add some text right here, and once it is done just simply click on next and just add a caption and other hashtags, etc., whatever you like, and just simply go ahead and click on post. So this is basically how you will be able to make collage reel on Instagram. I hope you find this video to be helpful.